Dear students, welcome you all for the set theory classes. In the last classes, we have discussed about some properties of intersection of sets. Under that, we solved some exercise problem. One of the last stage, which is the practical problems on union and intersection of sets, which is the last concept, and this is the some of the theory part we have to discuss, and after that some problems based on these formulas. That completes your first unit, that is sets. We have the formula of finding intersection, that is A intersection B is nothing but x such that x belongs to capital A and x belongs to capital B. In case of union, x such that x belongs to A or x belongs to B, and that type of situation we are discussed in the last classes. I hope you got the idea. But today's class, one of the interesting topic we are going to discuss, that is the practical problems on union and intersection of sets. Practical problems means we have to solve some set theoretical problems into the mathematical formation with the help of these formulas. But I want to take some formulas under that. If A, B and C are finite sets, if you have three finite sets A, B, C, what is the finite set? A set which either empty or consists of definite number of elements is called finite set. In that finite set, some of the formula is n of A union B. N of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. What is the formula? N of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. You call it equation number 1. Then what happens? A intersection B means suppose A and B are disjoint sets. In the same formula, they are finite sets, A, B, C are finite sets, but suppose A and B are some disjoint sets. What is the meaning of disjoint sets? We are discussed in the last video session. That is, two sets A and B are said to be disjoint if there is no common element between them. If there is no common element between both the sets A and B, we say that two sets A and B are disjoint sets. That's why here A and B are some disjoint sets. Suppose A and B are disjoint sets, then A intersection B is equal to empty. What is the meaning of A intersection B is equal to empty? A and B are disjoint. If then n of A intersection B is equal to n of empty set. What is the value of n of empty? N of empty in the sense, how many elements present in the given set? How many elements present in the given set? That set is exactly empty set. Empty set, there will be no element. Empty set, there will be no element. If purely empty, there will be no element. Therefore, n of empty is equal to 0. Therefore, what happens? N of empty is equal to 0. There is no element, means there is no in the sense we are going to take a 0. So, equation 1, what happens? Equation 1 reduces to n of A union B, which is equals to n of A plus n of B. What happens? Equation 1 reduces to n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B. Before what we have? We have this formula. We have equation 1, correct? We have this formula. After that, we have taken that A and B are, suppose they are disjoint sets, then their intersection is empty. Then this above equation 1 becomes n of A and B is equal to n of A plus n of B. Therefore, I told in the first or second classes, union is always addition. In case of union means what? Addition. Just observe, this is a symbol for union. This union will become addition. Union is addition. Then, suppose we have three sets A, B, C, three sets, then n of A union B union C is equal to n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of A intersection C plus n of A intersection B intersection C. Suppose this having three non-empty sets or finite sets, non-empty finite sets. N of A union B union C is equal to n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of A intersection C plus n of A intersection B intersection C. Therefore, n of A union B union C is equal to n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of A intersection C or C intersection E plus n of A intersection B intersection C. This formula is valid only for 3 sets they are given. After that, if you want to take only set, that is n of A only, n of A only, which is nothing but only A not B, only A not B, that is n of A minus B, n of A minus B, that is n of A minus n of A intersection B. I think these two n of A only, n of B only, n of B only, n of B only, n of C only for 3 sets, and this is for 3 sets, correct? What you are right? For 3 sets, for 3 sets, this is for 2 sets. N of A minus B, difference of 2 sets which are not included in your syllabus. Why? Because some of the topic they are deleted for the academic year 2021. That's why N of A minus B, you take it as a method. Just to leave the method N of A minus B, N of A minus C. If you wish, you can take N of A only, N of B only, N of C only. ಇಲ್ಲಿ N of A minus B ಮತ್ತು B minus C ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟು ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುವಂತ ಎರಡು ಆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು ಈ ವರ್ಷದ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ವರಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ N of A minus B and N of B minus C here also. Correct? Just to observe N of A only, N of B, N of B formulas, and the total formula or problem is based on this set, this only and second one. This is very important for your study. This is also, correct? These are the some theoretical expressions. After that, some of the notations you just observe. N of B only, this is the formula. N of B only, this is the formula. N of C. Note here, very important note for your main exam is in this type problems. Means in this type problem means suppose they are asking the statement problem. The problems which are in the statement problem, then joining word or means suppose copy or T, then copy or T means union, copy and tea or orange juice and apple juice, and means intersection. Means at least he will take at least 2 juices or at least 2 games or at least 2 subjects. He offer at least 2 objects or he will teach at least 2 subjects. At least means union. Therefore, while giving the words, they are in or format or and format or at least format, the value should be union, intersection, alternate union. This is the category where you can find out the problems with the help of some formula which are nothing but practical problems of union and intersection of 2 sets, sometimes 3 sets. Okay, I will take one by one problem. Very simple. It carries 2 marks question and 5 mark question in the main exam. First question. Example. I write the example first. Example 1. If x and y are 2 sets such that x union y has 50 elements, x has 28 elements, and y has 32 elements. How many elements does x intersection y have? How many elements does x intersection y have? This is the one of the practical problems. That practical problem we are going to solve in the mathematical formulation. Mathematical formulation in the sense we have to take this statement into some mathematical form. After that we will use the formulas of the list number 1. That is formula number 8. Solution. First you write given. What they are given? X and Y are two sets. ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ಗಳಿದೆ. X ಯೂನಿಯನ್ Y ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಗಳಿವೆ? 50 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಗಳಿವೆ, 50 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. X has 28 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳಿವೆ. Y has 32 elements. How many elements does X intersection Y have? Given. N of X union Y. Given X union Y is equal to 50. Correct? X union Y has 50 elements. Means N of X union Y. N means number of elements present in X union Y. Number of elements present in X union Y. We call number of elements present in means nothing but cardinality of a set. What we call cardinality. 50 elements. X has N of X is equal to what? 28 elements. N of X has 28 elements. N of Y. N of Y is equal to 32 elements. How many elements does X intersection Y have? N of X intersection Y, there is a question mark. There is what? Question mark. That value we have to find out. But what's the formula? Just to write formula N of X union Y is equal to N of X plus N of Y minus N of X intersection Y. They are in the form of intersection, which implies N of X union Y, they are given as a 50. 50 is equal to N of X is nothing but what? 28. N of X is 28. N of Y is nothing but 32. After that, N of X intersection Y as it is, that value you have to find out. You write it as it is. Correct? As it is you have to write. Which implies 50, which is equal to what? 28 plus 30, 58, that is 60. And 60 minus N of X intersection Y, which implies what? N of X intersection Y is equal to 60 minus 50. 60 minus 50, which is equal to 10. Therefore, N of X intersection Y, which is equal to what? 10. 10 elements. N of X intersection Y is equal to how many elements? We have only 10 elements. This is the question. And the exam question pattern, in that question pattern we have only this type of question. They will give marks for this is 1 mark, and writing the question is formula is 1 mark. There are totally 2 mark question, and 3 mark question will be coming from same chapter. I will write second question. Question number 2. Question number 2. In a school, there are 20 teachers who teach. There are 20 teachers who teach mathematics, or physics. Of these, 12 teach mathematics, and 4 teach both physics and mathematics. How many teach physics? This is the problem, which is the real world problem. That problem we are going to solve with the help of mathematical formulation. After that, we have to find out the members, those who teach physics only, correct? Those who are teach physics only, that value you have to find out, or that those type of members you have to 5 volt. Solution. To physics, mathematics and physics only two combination. Let M denotes mathematics. Let M denotes mathematics and P denotes physics. Given there are 20 teachers who teach mathematics or physics. 20 teachers who teach mathematics or physics means in the note we have written that or means union. Or means what? Or means union. Mathematics or physics means union. Now M union the mathematics or physics with a who 20 teachers, there is 20. 12 teach mathematics. N of M is 12. 12 teach mathematics and 4 teach both physics and mathematics. Both physics and mathematics. And means intersection. Correct? Both. N of M intersection P is equal to what? 4. 4 teach both physics and mathematics. 4 teach both physics and mathematics. How many teach physics only? N of P physics. There is a question mark. How many teach physics? N of P question mark. No. N of M union P. The students, M union P is same as P union M. Both are commutative. You know, intersection and union both are commutative. N of M plus N of P minus N of M intersection P, which implies N of M union P is 20, which is equals to N of M is 12 plus N of P. There is a question mark, means that when you have to find out N of M intersection P, that is 4, which implies 20 is equal to 16. 12 minus 4, that is 8. 8 plus N of P, which implies N of P is equals to 20 minus 8, which is equal to 12. Therefore, N of P is equal to what? 12. N of P, which is nothing but 12. There is a question number 2. Get over. I will take question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3. In a class of 35 students, 24 like to play cricket and 16 like to play football. Also, each student likes to play at least one of the two games. How many students like to play both cricket and football? Both cricket and football. My students, the question is lengthy, but answer is very sweet when you have the idea about the formula. You should have the formula first. N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. But rest of the procedure should be same. Again, one more thing is OR means OR ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನದು ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. AND ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಜಾಯಿನಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅದು ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ solution. In a class of 35 students, 24 like to play cricket, 16 like to play football. Also, each student like to play at least one of the two games. How many students like to play both cricket and football? Let C denotes the cricket and F denotes the football. F denotes a football. Now, given 24 like to play cricket, 35 students, 24 like to play cricket, 24 like to play cricket, 24, and now 24, 16 like to play football. Each student like to play at least one of the two games. How many students like to play both cricket and football? 35 in a class of 35 students means in a class means union. In a class means what? Union. In a class of 35 students union, that is N of C union F is equal to 35. 35 students will be there. How many students like to play both cricket and football? N of cricket and football. C intersection F is question mark. Cricket intersection football, that is question mark. Formula. Now N of C union F, N of C plus N of F minus N of C intersection F. N of C intersection F. N of C union is what? 35 is equal to N of C, there is a 24 members, plus N of F, there will be 6 members. N of C intersection F both means there is a as it is, which implies 35, it is equal to 24 plus 10, 34, 34 plus 6, that is 40. 34 plus 6 40 minus N of C intersection F, which implies N of C intersection F, which is equal to, or you better write 35 minus 40, which is equal to minus N of C intersection F, correct? Which implies 5 minus 5 is equal to minus C N of C intersection F. Get close, which implies N of C intersection F is equal to 5. N of C intersection F is equal to 5. Dear students, don't keep the value is negative. If there is a negative last answer, then your calculation should be wrong, because no member is negative, no element is negative, no items are negative. That's why while writing the answers, final answer should be a positive number. Otherwise, you are somewhere you are getting missed. That's why while we are given the problem, just to observe the problem carefully. Write the problem carefully means necessary document you have to write in the careful manner. Correct? And these are some problems. We will next class we will see more problems on the same topic, that is set theory, under practical problems on union and intersection of sets. Thank you.